In this video I will show you how to easily maximize and minimize windows using the mouse wheel. To do this, you just need to hold down the Win button and spin the wheel. Of course, for this to work, you must have QuickHotkeys installed. If you scroll the wheel up, it will maximize the window, and if you scroll it up again, it will go to full screen. You can immediately go to full screen. To do this, you need to spin the wheel twice and spin down once to go back. We spin it twice and immediately go to full screen. And if we spin it down twice, it minimizes the window to taskbar. Now, to open other recent windows from the taskbar, you need to move the cursor to any edge of the screen and turn the wheel up. You can hover cursor over the top edge of the screen. Now, how to switch between 2 or 3 recent windows. Method 2. You can press Win and caps lock. If you hold this and scroll the wheel up, recent windows will open from the taskbar. When the necessary window is selected, the other windows are minimized. There is another way to minimize or maximize windows. You need to hold down the right mouse button and spin the wheel. Hold down the right mouse button and spin the wheel. Also, to expand other windows, move the cursor to the edge of the screen and turn the wheel. To the edge, let's spin the wheel. Scroll down, the windows where the cursor is are minimized. See the description for where to download this program. There are a lot of other really cool stuffs there. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with other productivity stuffs.